Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. In this evening's Array of Hope, we look at a student's determination to help another in need after a fiery tragedy. Here is Krista Campbell.
Sometimes you have to encourage yourself.
Too emotional for words, but tears spoke volumes. It was not the usual assembly of students at the Cartwright College in Manchester at the weekend.
No matter how you feel, speak the word and you will be healed.
In fact, the student singing attends Manchester High School. Karshane Simpson says she was moved to help after hearing how the Cartwright College sixth form student Tyra Horton, her two sisters and parents lost their home in a fire last Tuesday.
So I told my cousin that I would start at church and get some money to bring to her. And when I went to school the next day, I went to school and I thought that maybe I could get some money from the students. But after I collected some of the money, I realized that I had done it illegally. So I had to go to Mr. Gabriel and tell him about the situation and get the permission to finish collecting the money. And he gave us the go-ahead, and now in my hands is the donation from Miss Horton's family.
Another monetary donation too from her own school. And
additionally, as a school body, we collected other items such as household items, toiletry and clothes.
We had various contributions and from other schools such as Manchester and Winston Jones High, and we just want to say a hearty thank you also to other entities such as CPFSA and everybody who donated. You didn't have to.
In this time of need, it is good to know that persons are out there lending a helping hand and helping out my family thus far.
And this is more of what we need to promote as a nation and as a country, just supporting each other in times of need.
And the family concedes the needs are great.
It's not easy to build back from scratch, so the cost to get back on our feet basically is large. Even though we have many donations and stuff, we still want to appeal if anyone has anything or has anything they can donate or has any monetary contribution, it will be greatly appreciated.
Meanwhile, as the younger siblings sit mock exams this week, Tyra, who also plays on her school's football team, says sports has helped her cope.
I must also thank my female football team, both coaches and the ladies on the team. They have been a strong support for me and my family. If it wasn't for them, I don't think mentally I would be as strong as I am today.
If you want to help the family, you may donate to Semilia Watson's National Commercial Bank NCB Savings Account in Mandeville, account number 504-779-394, or Semilia Watson's Sagicor Savings Account in Mandeville, account number 550-482-9679. With a ray of hope, I'm Krista Campbell.